love this thing so much. Okay, they actually have them. Cosh Archive. Look at this rare Fendi. I have fallen in love with this bag a couple months ago. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and it's a beautiful, almost summer day today in the city. And by the way, I did color my hair a bit more red. I love it this time round. Today we are on our way into the Shadowlands. Do you want to say what that is? Shoreditch. I'm never really going down to Shoreditch. It's not really my area. I think I feel there like you feel in Knightsbridge. I never leave him. I know, I never leave him alone in Knightsbridge. Don't leave me alone today. And people, this is Shoreditch. Okay, we are on Boundary Street right now, and the deepest darkest Shoreditch. But I want to say credit to Lela Sophia because she finds the best brands, the best bags all the time. I love her style. Go check out her channel. I'm gonna link her in the description box below. You guys know I love this, but I mean, this is a TMK bag, so I shouldn't be running around with this all the time. So it doesn't always have to be designer, I think, right? And I've fallen in love with a Japanese brand called Home of High, and they have beautiful, beautiful bags that just scream my name. So we're gonna see if we find the bag I'm looking for. And this is the outfit for today, my beloved Tenerife coat. I love this thing so much. Do you like it? I like it. So guys, they have beautiful little silk bags, and actually there it is, we're already here. Ooh, I have to run across the street, but it's beautiful here. This is it, Home of High. And they have beautiful little silk bags. I'm going to put it up on the side. There are some of them. I'm looking for a floral one, which I think is just absolutely me. So let's see what we find. Okay, they actually have them. Just look at this. They are so pretty. I think this is the style for 2026. What do you think? Would you go for the black one or the white one? I think I want the white one. Hello. So, is this not gorgeous? I think this is one of the most gorgeous bags I've seen so far this year. And look at that, they have so many beautiful designs. Even like bigger shoppers. Oh, I love it. This is a bigger size as well. Okay, tell me guys, would you go for the white one or the black one? I mean, you guys know my Bvlgari bag is black and I just love it so much. I think I want something light for the summer, and I think the flowers pop a lot more on the white one, right? It's just so cute. Look at this. If you just want a plain one, really pretty. Oh, I got something. We got what we came for.
Indeed, that was efficient.
Yeah, now some food.
Yes.
And then we do the unboxing later and the decorating, because I have a vision for this bag. Okay, they have lots of little vintage shops here in Shoreditch. Oh wow, there's a whole market here. I mean, it's Sunday today. Can you see how red my hair is? I really, really like it. This is finally the color I think that I wanted the first time around. But yeah, very happy. Okay guys, I'm looking for some matcha now. It's called Artful Blend. It's a cute little cafe. Okay guys, this looks very, very good. Look at this. It's one of the new Chanel bags, by the way. They have really cool stuff here, and I love the art. I mean, I think you can find really cool stuff here if you just take some time and look around. I mean, they remind us of the Gucci bags, no? That they came out, the massive fluffy ones. This is the whole coat. It's not just a jacket.
Is it My Little Pony?
Yeah, or Jigglypuff. Okay, do you think they have some designer bags?
Maybe.
Maybe, Yes. And here we have a Burberry piece, LV, very old vintage LV canvas. Oh wow, this is pretty cool, no? Love the style. Hi. Yeah, sehr good. That's fun. I was thinking, oh my god, is my coat too much for today? But I think I fit in here.
You definitely fit in.
Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, I almost missed you. Hello, you little baby. Schnagel. Oh, I almost didn't see him or her. So cute. Look at this beautiful bag, guys. This is a vintage python bag. Okay, look at this. Real vintage LV pieces, Fendi. We have Gucci there. Really cool stuff, guys. Okay, I had no idea. Kosh Archive. This is real stuff, guys. Vintage Gucci, vintage LV. Look at this. They have so many bags. Oh wow, really rare Chanel piece as well. I mean, this is interesting, no? Look at this LV bag. Dior. I have no idea if I have to put some different audio on top because of the copyrighted music. I hope I can use my original audio. It's always easier while you're editing. Oh wow! So many cool bags, no? Wow, really rare Fendi baguette. Wow, these are really, really rare pieces. I love this oil slick. That's stunning. This is pretty cool as well. Gucci. Here, for anybody who's wondering, you can have their details. Look, a whole vintage Burberry section, guys, with all the trench coats you could wish for. And we love this. Definitely less fake than you. Okay, is this creepy or what? Creepy, Schnucke.
A bit it.
Yeah. No, Hello Kitty, my melody. Oh, the Sanrio plush. Did you see this, Schnucke? Oh my god. A little Labubu. Lafufu.
Who's gone hipster?
And more vintage LV, guys. Balenciaga. I mean, I love it. Look at all these bags. They do look real. Obviously, always make sure that you do your own authentication when you buy anything vintage. Charizard. That's cool. The nerd in me loves this again. I had no idea. They have a full Hirono shop here. Oh yeah, by Pop Mart. I was like, huh? Hirono is usually only sold by Pop Mart. Look at this. Oh no, 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 no. Don't tell me they have the bunny. I wonder if they have the new bunnies. Then I might get tempted. Oh, guys, let's... No, they have the bunny. No. This literally came out 2 days ago, guys. They have the bunny in the little bin. This is a little bin. Oh no.
No, he just looks like he's gonna go toilet.
No, thanks. Oh, but look at the sun today. Wow. Hello everybody. So here we are. I have fallen in love with this bag a couple months ago. And yeah, they didn't have it in stock for a while, and now it's back in stock. I love it. They packaged it really, really nicely. It's a really nice dust bag, and I was super surprised. Look at the quality of this dust bag. So this is not printed on. It is stitched on. I don't know if the camera is showing it. Some designer houses don't even do that. Beautiful blue ribbon. Okay, I'm going to show you the bag, and I'm going to show you how I, in my head, wanted to style it, because that's a whole different kind of story. Woo! I think this is the most gorgeous bag I have seen for 2026, and it's not even luxury. It is so beautiful that it says hi. It has a little slip pocket. Other than that, it's one big compartment. It has a magnetic closure. You know, I'm not gonna do that because that obviously, you know, you're gonna have a wrinkle in the silk. But I'm prepared. So I ordered this little bag organizer from Amazon. It's just a pink felt organizer. and I've sewn it in on the side a little bit just so it fits perfectly into this bag. It was a teeny tiny little bit too big, but this was the closest I could find on Amazon. So actually, so let me put this in quickly. If I would get a silk bag, obviously it would need some structure, something to hold its shape up. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Now it fits kind of perfectly, and it will definitely give the bag some shape. I mean, once you put all your stuff in, obviously it's gonna look even better. But this is like the foundation, let's call it that. So this is how I will wear it. And now let's decorate it, because you guys know I love my little Jigglypuff. This is the teeny tiniest Jigglypuff plush ever. And I took it to Tenerife and it's traveling with us again. It's just nice memories. And I thought, how cute would this be if you just put the little Jigglypuff there? Oh, and also I have like one of my heirlooms, like a little pearl necklace. And I was thinking maybe you could even like dress it up with an additional little pearl necklace. Really, you know, individualize it, make it your own, make it unique. Let's see how it's gonna go, how it's gonna look like. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, here we are with Jigglypuff. Perfect length for this bag, and let's put the pearl necklace on as well. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking maybe you could put it on somehow. I just love the idea of this bag with pearls and a bag charm, but I don't think it's gonna be viable. I don't think this was the best decision, so I think we're just gonna be simple. We're just gonna carry it, oops, like this. Okay, let me show you some modeling shots, and then that's probably it. Hello. Oh my god, I love it. I really love it. And you can dress this up and down, you know. I mean, now I'm wearing just like a casual grocery shopping outfit. But you can just wear like a nice white summer dress, go for a dinner party, and still wear this, if you ask me. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen my short yet, where I unboxed my massive Flareon, go and check it out. Go check out my shorts. This is a childhood dream, and yeah, I just had to get, you know, her. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, back to the topic. Yeah, so I love it. I think this is super cute. You can just wear it like this, or obviously the other way around, like this. If you have pockets, you can just, you know, put your hand in your pocket. Super cute. I think I just wear it like this. But I love this bag. Let me know if you like it too. You can order them online as well, on the Home of High website, if you're not in London, and I can only recommend it. I love it, guys. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all clearly do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again soon, guys. Bye.